Again, this is a question from NTA. So here it is given that there is a black body and it is at temperature of 2880 Kelvin. Now we know that the black body will emit radiations corresponding to all possible wavelengths from 0 to infinity. Like some energy is always associated with some or the other wavelength. It's not that any wavelength is missing, all wavelengths will be present. Now, for some wavelengths, energy emitted per unit time will be more. For some wavelengths, energy emitted per unit time from unit area of its surface will be less. So, how do we decide like which wavelength is favored more while emitting? So, for that, there is a spectral emissive power versus the lambda wavelength. And here we have got this lambda max. So, lambda max is the wavelength which is most favored, and the energy radiated by that black body per unit its surface area per unit time is maximum for this particular wavelength, and that particular wavelength actually can be found out. So lambda max is the most favored wavelength, which is equal to b by t according to Wien's law. So b is Wien's constant, whose value I have substituted along with value of temperature. So I got the lambda as 100 nanometer. So 100 nanometer is the wavelength which is most favored. Now, corresponding to this, the energy emitted per unit area, per unit time, per unit wavelength interval, how much is that? It is u2. Similarly, here there is u1 and u3. So energy emitted per unit area from its surface per unit time per unit wavelength interval. Anyway, the wavelength interval taken in all the three cases is 1 nanometer only. So if you take a 1 nanometer wavelength interval in near 499 lambda or near 400 nanometer wavelength, there is some energy associated, and that energy associated is u1. Okay, now definitely u1 is less than u2. We can't check whether u3 or u1, we can't compare like that, but we can compare u1 and u2, and u2 will be maximum and it will be higher than u1 and u3. u1 and u3 are the energies corresponding to the wavelength between 499 and 500. u2 is the energy radiated per unit area per unit time between wavelength 999 and 1000, and u3 is the energy emitted per unit area per unit time between wavelengths 1499 to 1500. So obviously, because of the lambda max value, or 999 to 1000 is like near to the lambda max. So near to the lambda max, the energy associated with those wavelengths emitted will be highest. So u2 is greater than u1 here.